We came from Bloomington, Indiana. Wow. My husband we came here from the Indiana National Guard for my husband to go to flight school. We put in a few, a garage door, or ice maker, then they were out within a day or two. Every time we had a question and we emailed or called, I got an immediate response. Everyone's very helpful, no automated messages, just a person, and they've been very happy with the ease of the move. I've been impressed with the amenities. I like how everything's walkable for us. I like that the community center puts things on for the families. They have a pool. We have 3 giant playgrounds in our backyard, so I couldn't ask for more.
Right out back.
I just like the holiday events.
Okay.
Those are always fun to look forward to. Whenever I see there's a thing for the kids, we don't really have any family or friends around here, so I like taking them and getting out of the house.
Yeah.
The girls all have their own bedrooms. The house is nice. We're all very happy. We love the weather. I let them go do things actually I wouldn't have done back home.
Wow.
Ride their bike places I wouldn't have allowed them. I feel safe. It's been a great experience, it really has.